As well as securing your website, Admin Tools for WordPress comes with several tools to help you configure and optimize your website. You can find them in the Tools section of the Control panel. The first of these can be found in WordPress Tools. A salt is used to encrypt passwords, and it is recommended that you periodically update these by clicking here. You will be logged out, and then you will need to log back in to continue. Next is password expiration. By default, a password will last forever, but if you want, you can force the user to change their password after a set number of days by setting a value here and then selecting which roles to apply this to. In my case, I have set it to require all administrator and editors to change their password every 60 days. Now we have some advanced options. The first of these are for your posts. Here you can change the default values for auto-saving revisions, automatically emptying the trash, and cleaning up after image edits. You can find out more about these options by hovering on the title. Now we have some system settings. These are mainly tools that will let you see any coding errors on your site, and you should only enable them when you are building the site, and never leave them on when your site is live. To apply any changes made on this page, click on the orange button and a WP config file will be created with the settings. If you have upgraded your site to use HTTPS, then you have two very useful tools. The first of these will change all your links to be the secure HTTPS instead of the original HTTP. This is optional, and you should be aware that even external links will be changed to use HTTPS. The second option will change your entire site configuration to use HTTPS, and this is highly recommended. Over time, your database tables can benefit by being optimized. If you click here, then this will be performed for you. Finally, we have a tool to ensure that your file and directory permissions are set to the correct secure values. Here we can configure the default permissions, and by clicking on the orange Save and Apply button, these permissions will be applied. Now that you have saved the defaults, you can fix the permissions on your entire site at any time in the future by just clicking on the Fix Permissions button on the control panel.